How to install Affinity on Windows. So if you want to install Affinity on Windows, then first go with a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and go with the search. And under search, you need to search for Affinity. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first search, which is affinity.serif.com, and go with accept all. And scroll down, and here you will have all of the tools or applications that you would like to install. So you just need to simply go with the start free trial option. And if you're new to Affinity, then you can simply go and create your account. But if you're an existing customer, then you can go with the existing customer and log into your account. So simply create your account if you don't have your account. Enter your details like your first and last name, your account type, and account password. And click on I agree to the terms and conditions and create your account. Once you've created, now here you will have get my download link. Click on it. And from here, you can simply uh, verify your account. So first open up your email or your Gmail. Then you just need to simply verify your email address. Click on verify email. Once you verify, now here you will have the download options. You can simply go with the Affinity Designer 2 free trial or go with the Affinity Designer 2. You can simply have the free trials. You can simply go with any free trial and then click on download. Once you click on download, it will start the download process. You can go with the upper right, which has up three dots, and then go with downloads. And here you will have the downloads. Once it's downloaded, you can simply go with your file explorer, go with downloads, and double click on it. And after that, it will start installing. So that's how you can install your Affinity on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.